If you want to install Pikashow on your Android TV, follow these simple steps to get started quickly. First, ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Then go to Settings and enable Unknown Sources under Security and Restrictions to allow third-party app installations. Next, open a web browser on your TV or use a USB drive to transfer the Pikashow PK file from another device. If using a browser, search for Pikashow PK latest version and download it from a trusted source. Once downloaded, locate the file in your Downloads folder using a File Manager app, then click on it to start the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Pikashow, and once done, open the app and grant necessary permissions. Now, you can enjoy unlimited entertainment, including movies, TV shows, and live sports, right on your Android TV. Remember to use a VPN for added security and always download from reliable sources to avoid malware risks. Enjoy streaming with Pikashow.